Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an app UI with Framer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Framer and create a new project. Select the Design tab from the toolbar. Choose a blank canvas to start with a clean layout. On the left sidebar, locate the Components panel. Drag and drop a frame component onto your canvas. Adjust the frame size using the handles on the corners. With the frame selected, navigate to the right sidebar. Set the background color using the Color Picker tool. To add interactivity, locate the Prototype tab in the toolbar. Select the Interaction option to create a new interaction. Choose a trigger, such as on-click, from the drop-down menu. Now, specify a destination for the interaction, like another frame. Return to the Design tab and select a text component. Drag and drop the text component onto your frame. Edit the text by double-clicking inside the text box. Customize the font style, size, and color in the right sidebar. Add additional components as needed, like buttons or images. Arrange the components to create a visually appealing layout. Once your UI design is complete, click on the Preview button. Test the interactions to ensure they work as intended. Adjust elements as necessary based on your preview results. Finally, save your project by clicking on the Save icon in the toolbar. Your app UI in Framer is now ready for further development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.